Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my Tesla. And today I am going to show you this thing here. I gotta put on my glasses so I can read it all. Let's see how this is. This is it says it's the, I don't even know what it says. It says it's the, I don't know what the heck it says. You can read it, maybe you can read it better than me. It's this thing right here. But what it is it's to cover this big window up here because like here in Texas, it's like in the hundreds and stuff. It's super hot. So let's see how this thing fits. So I'm gonna open it up here and we're gonna try this out and let's see what we got here. And it's some sort of bungee thing. Let's see, how's this open? I'm gonna open it up outside the car because it's just huge. So let's see what we got here. Okay. So here we are. Let's open this up. See what it looks like. Boy, it's not even opening correctly. I've done these things before. Not so easy. There we go. Okay, there we go. So now it's open. So this is what it looks like, and this is going to cover the roof. But boy, it's all flexy. But I guess once it's up there, it'll kind of help itself in. So let's give it a try. Or maybe it's just going to fold up on itself. Let's see what we got here. Fuck! Okay, that whole fucking thing fell off. It's folded itself back up again. How's it gonna open? It just keeps wanting to fold up. Okay, let's read some instructions. Let's see if there's any instructions. No, there's nothing. I don't know why this thing just keeps folding itself up. Seems like it'll go. Fuck. It's gonna be a great video. Okay, there it's open. Now let me. Oh, there, now it stays open. What the hell? And then. How's it supposed to stay up? This thing got such good reviews. What the heck am I doing here? Like somehow tension? I'm exhausted already. I had no idea where my glasses went. They went flying. Oh, there's something in here. Maybe I need these. Oh, these are some sort of clips. Yeah, let's look at I'm put on my glasses and see what this stuff is. So this is clips that it came with. Oh, I'm guessing you go on the edge here somehow. And then you probably slide in. Oh, fuck! It just fucking folded itself back up again. Damn it. Oh, shit. And now the whole fucking clips all just went flying. God damn it. Shit. I don't know what kind of crazy contortionist was able to put this thing in their car. Damn it. I might just want to just paste a freaking piece of tape on it or something. I need like 6 hands. Fuck! If I don't break my car doing this, I don't know what the hell. Damn it. Oh, shit. Okay, there, fuck. It's almost done. Almost big. God, don't fucking. Okay, it's openish now. Oh. It's stuck in the mirror. Okay, so there it's kind of open. rolling itself back up again. Man, this thing is not easy. I'm gonna go sit in the back seat and see if I can do this thing, because it's just not doing anything up here. It's just folding it. Damn it! It folds up super fucking easy. Damn it, it's a piece of shit. Try it in the back seat. Fucking suck. Okay, I'll try it from back here. Sit in the middle so you can kind of see me and see if I can open this thing up back here. It just doesn't want to fucking stay open. Got it sort of fucking open. But why does it stay open? How's it gonna that shit? So I'm gonna go here. Okay, so that'll hold it there. There's one side corner. Okay. Nope, came down. Okay, so that's kind of holding. Okay, I've almost got it, I think. Somehow get these clips in without it falling down. So these clips kind of go up in the thing. Oh shit, it's falling down again. Don't do it, don't fall down. Don't fucking fall down. Ah, it fell down in the back. There, okay, so I've got 3 clips on. Put one up front here. Hold it up here. There, okay, there's 4. I think I'm getting it. Okay, let's put this one back up here. Okay, that one's there. Put this one in the way back. Okay, that's there. Put one in the middle. Okay. I think I'm getting it. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one came down. This one back up. Okay, there we go. I got it. Oh my god. But it seems like it's a nice little screen. Holy moly. Okay, so I got it in there, and you can kind of see. Let me show you. So what it does is, you see, it's got it's like a headliner kind of thing for that sunroof, because it's so freaking hot here in Texas. Hopefully this will keep it cool. So there you go. You've seen me put it in there. I have no idea if it's good or not yet. I'll put in the comments and stuff, but it seems like it'll be pretty good. It's actually pretty durable. It's not going anywhere now that it's finally up. Okay. So far I like it. That was a workout though. I guess if you need some exercise, you can just put this thing up and down a few times. But okay, thanks for watching though my video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna put a link to this, whatever this was called, that thing there, and it's for the Model Y and blah blah blah, if you want to look at it or pause it or something like that to read it, whatever. Okay, good luck everybody. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll be back soon.